Today I'm sharing one of my favourite little studio tricks, how I use an old store catalogue to roll off excess paint from my brayer. It keeps my prints cleaner, saves paper and even creates bonus collage pieces. Hi, I'm Joni B, inviting you to relax, play and make beautiful jelly print art with me. So I've got quite a number of really nice pieces of paper to use. I particularly like that one and I particularly like that one. So what am I going to do with them? So I've got plenty of Payne's Grey on that. Let's go for this, a feast of fish. And I'll take the excess off. So I should have looked before I lifted that. Schoolboy error or rookie error. Okay, so hopefully that is taken more off. There we go. So, got quite a nice print there. I always like the ghost print more than I do the actual positive print, but there's areas on there that I can use. Let's try this one, and I'll choose a different stencil. This time I'll leave it on a little bit longer. Make sure that I leave it on longer than I did before. Okay, so we have another one there, which is really nice. I'm not going to clean this off, just putting some ivory on, and this is via Art Studio. Pop that on, and let's put this one back on. There we go. Quite happy with that. Take that off. Let's go on here. Back to Ready Gold. Going to be a very, very light texture on this. That's fine. Sometimes you just don't want something that's in your face. There we are. It's really subtle. So let me recap what I've done today. I've taken an old magazine that I got at Christmas last year, and I've used the pages that I've rolled off my paint onto to produce some more textured pages. Some of them are successful, others need more work on them, like this one. I'll go over that again, and this one as well, because I tend to do more than just one or two layers. I tend to build the layers up until I'm happy. Very rarely throw anything away jelly plate wise. I just keep on going until I'm happy with the results. That's nice and shiny, isn't it? So we have some really pronounced ones and some like this that are really quite muted, and I think that's going to make a gorgeous background. I can do. So that's it. Don't you think it's amazing what a simple old catalogue can do? Cleaner brayers, better prints and ready-made collage paper. What a bonus. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and I'll share more of these little studio tricks with you. Hope to see you very, very soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye.